Can I add someone to my Rocket Money account? Intro. Hey everyone, you're sitting at your kitchen table, surrounded by bills. You're trying to make sense of it all, but it's overwhelming. You wish there was a way to simplify your finances, to have someone help you keep track of everything. Hook. Have you ever wished you could share the financial burden with someone? Maybe a spouse, a partner, or even a trusted friend. Well, today, we're going to dive into the question, can I add someone to my Rocket Money account? Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why adding someone to your Rocket Money account might be a good idea. Shared responsibility. When you share your financial life with someone, you're not alone in the struggle. It can lighten the load and make managing your finances less stressful. Improved communication. Discussing your finances openly can strengthen your relationships and improve communication. Enhanced security. Having a second set of eyes on your account can help you identify potential fraud or errors. Addressing the question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you actually add someone to your Rocket Money account? The short answer is, drumroll please, not directly. Rocket Money is designed to be a personal financial management tool, and it's intended for individual use. Exploring alternatives. While you can't add someone as a co-owner to your Rocket Money account, there are a few workarounds you can consider. Shared email. You can create a shared email account and use it to sign up for Rocket Money. This way, both of you can access the account and see your financial information. Third-party apps. There are third-party apps and services that allow you to share financial information with others. These platforms often have features like budgeting, expense tracking, and goal setting. Financial planning software. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, consider using financial planning software that allows multiple users. These tools can help you create budgets, track investments, and plan for retirement. Additional tips. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when sharing your financial information with someone else. Trust. Make sure you trust the person you're sharing your finances with. This is essential for maintaining a healthy financial relationship. Communication. Open and honest communication is key. Discuss your financial goals, concerns, and expectations. Privacy. Be mindful of privacy concerns. Ensure that the person you're sharing information with respects your privacy and doesn't misuse your data. Conclusion. While Rocket Money doesn't have a direct feature for adding co-owners, there are several creative ways to share your financial information with someone you trust. By exploring these options, you can lighten the load, improve communication, and enhance your financial security. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Rocket Money or personal finance in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.